imPod, the improv podcast, with Joshua and Koby, an imPunk production.
Sorry, I just had to deep throat the mic real quick.
Oh my goodness.
Hey,
Joshua, that microphone, it's all wet.
Speaking of deep throating.
Oh no.
Sound effects.
Okay.
That's what it was.
I can do sound effects.
Good. You better be able to do sound effects.
Let's do maybe a situation can give us something.
Sure. Yeah. Situation. Let's go
A
with
randomly generated situation?
Yeah. The scene that it generated is a witch who doesn't have any hobbies.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. Sure. Yeah, actually, you know what? Yes. Well. I gotta shut this window here. Let me shut this window so the wind stops howling so much. And I'll just lock it into place. Okay, well, what am I doing today? Let's see. Let me go through my to-do list. Today's hobby day. That's good. Today's hobby day. Well, I can't bake kids. I did that last week. Oh, hold on. That's my doorbell. Let me just open the door. Let me unlock my 6 locks that I have in this door. Hold on.
Junk.
Well, hello. Little Timmy's stuck in the well? Really? Oh, just now got stuck in the well. Okay, well, I guess rescuing people could be a hobby. You think so? What do you think, Minion?
Boy, banana.
Yeah, I agree. I think rescuing people could be a hobby. Here, let me, I know. I'll go get my magic rope. Where did I put... Oh, it's in my suitcase. I never unpacked it.
Boing.
Okay, well, it's really exciting to get out of my suitcase. Here, let me unzip it.
Zip.
Well, it's going all over the room. Rope, come back here. Rope, come back here. You're going to knock over all my glassware. No. Rope, come back. You're going to knock over my glassware. Okay, Rope, I'll make you a deal, Magic Rope. I will give you water if you go down the well and let the boy up. Minion, is he getting the boy? Oh no, dear. I lose so many minions this way. I lose so many this way. I mean, just hold on there. Okay, well, the only way to get somebody out of a magic noose is with magic scissors. I have them right here in this drawer. They make a clanging sound. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut. Are you ready? The magic scissors have a mind of their own, so I'm sorry in advance. Oh, gosh. You lost your head again. I'm going to have to sew that back on later, but sewing's not until Monday, so I can't do that today. I'm sorry. I know. Just have your body pick up your head and walk around for a couple days. Okay, well, what do normal people do for hobbies? Oh, I know. I could try Quidditch. That's a hobby. Yes, here, let me just get on my broom. And I'll just fly over to those young kids over there playing Quidditch. Howdy, boys. Mind if I join? Okay, well, I'll go ahead and give it a try. Whoa. Don't pass it to me so fast. What? Hey, here, catch. Oh, my gosh, I think he has a broken leg.
My leg. Ah, my leg.
Okay, hold on. I can fix it. Let me just pull out my magic wand here out of its sheath. It's all wet. Sorry about that. All right, and here we go. Leg straighten. Oh, he looks like he's in a lot of pain. I should have used a different spell instead of leg straighten.
Backwards.
Oh, his leg's backwards. Okay, well, here, I can do that. Reverse. Reverse.
Pop it.
Now pull it.
Oh.
Oh, I should probably leave. You guys don't seem too happy with me.
All right,
I'll put this back in my wet sheath, and I'll be on my way. On the horse. I'm going on the horse. I'm stealing your horse while I'm at it. I'm leaving on somebody else's horse with my broom in my hand. That's what I'm doing. Okay, well, what else am I doing today? Let me look at the agenda here. Well, what's that? Oh, the telephone bird. Here. The magic telephone bird. Hold on, let me just pick it up. And put it up to my ears. Hello?
Hello. Operator calling for Hazelwood 325.
Yes, that's me.
Do you accept the charges?
Yeah, I suppose so. Oh my gosh, this bird just printed a receipt for me to sign. Now I just gotta send it back into the bird's mouth to fax it back to them. Alright, did you get it?
Thank you. Connecting you.
Can I help you? Oh, really? Downtown, you say? A disco. But people can only speak 2 words at the disco.
Disco.
You'd think that would cause quite a panic.
Try your luck with the disco.
I think we're done there.
This has been an imPunk production.